Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving deep into ActiveCampaign with a full review and walkthrough. If you're looking for a robust email marketing platform with advanced automation and a built-in CRM, this one's for you. When you log into ActiveCampaign, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Everything is laid out in a way that's easy to navigate, whether you're managing campaigns, automations, or tracking your contacts. Now, one of the standout features is the Automations tab. This is where you can create automated workflows that save you time by handling repetitive tasks like sending welcome emails, or do follow-ups, or tagging leads based on their actions. ActiveCampaign also shines with its built-in CRM. You can manage all your customer relationships from one place, track deals, and keep up with leads in a way that feels seamless. And the best part, the CRM integrates directly with your email marketing efforts, so your team can collaborate more efficiently. All you have to do is connect your email account and sync with any major email provider. ActiveCampaign allows you to create and customize multiple sales pipelines to reflect your sales process. You can also add custom fields to your deals to track specific information like expected closing date, deal value, or the potential product service being discussed. You can use automation to move deals to different stages based on interactions, such as when a prospect replies to an email or schedules a demo. ActiveCampaign's Deal CRM is powerful and flexible, and is helping businesses manage their sales pipeline and increase efficiency through automation. If you're new to ActiveCampaign or want to give it a try, there is a free trial link in the description. This platform is definitely a game changer, and I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.